Behind him!
Last night I lost all my patience. You were fucked up, I was wasted. Midsummer madness, I can't take it no more. No more.
Okay, so right now we're heading to Hoi An for our second fitting. And then we're gonna try the pho place again so that Clarice can try the chicken pho. Because that day the food she got was quite disappointing. Hello! Xin chào! Okay, so we're going for our first fitting upstairs. Damn.
Make it make sense. I can't hide a heart in the black tent. You were off the bullshit and the tablets. Under 21, both savage. All these blurry nights feel the same to me.
So everyone got coffee except for me. I got a mango smoothie. So good. Huge.
Yes, cheers! Yes, finally fit us. Guys, so right now we are at the same pho restaurant we went to as the first time we went to Hoi An. But this time we're gonna redeem Clarice's experience because she ordered chicken. No, she ordered pork, right? Pork ribs, yeah. So she ordered pork ribs with rice and it wasn't very nice, but we were really telling her that the broth here is super nice. So today we're gonna redeem Clarice's experience.
Nice.
Delicious. Wow, it's damn good. Damn good. No.
Really?
The broth is damn good. The soup is damn good.
Hey, mama is too close. Yeah, tak yet.
Oh my god.
Behind him.
So right now we're at a coconut boat tour. So we're going to a very nice forest. I don't know, man, it's looking like a forest but not really a forest.
No forest.
Right now on my job training, I think I'm doing very well. After this we're gonna drink some
We just toss and turn, playing with the fire. I don't care if I get burned. I'ma treat you good, no, you've been waiting for your turn. Nothing in the universe feel better than
all
your
the
tongue.
time. I wish everybody healthy and happy.
For the next 61 years after Bell.
We can travel together. I don't know, the next 60 years.
Top 5 seafood and a plate just dropped. Right, and we ordered a lot of stuff. The first of which to come is the garlic butter pork.